Hey guys, welcome back to Louis Dutton Vlogs, and in today's video,
we're in the van.
Yeah, we're in the van at the moment. Yeah, we're going to be carrying sort of the vlog from last weekend when we rode down on the pit bikes. Sorry there was no vlog last week. Actually no, not last week, the week before I think it was. James has just got his gut seat that's arrived, his seat for his KLX 110. Have any of your other stuff arrived? Oh yeah, your Diamond Minis thing arrived, so he's got that. But he has taken his forks out of his trick KLX and got them in the van because we're going to be pushing them into his KLX. So the reason why he's actually got these forks right here is because the Diamond Minis dampening rods, they're actually on back order. So
I've got the damping rods at home.
the springs are on back order, so they won't be here for about 4 weeks. So we're just waiting on them. So that's the reason why he's got these forks. So he's going to put them in. So yeah, and he's also expecting a Fox Flow shock for his KLX. But when we did actually get your bike out the van, it did have a puncture, so we're going to go to Acquire and get her inner tube.
She's running.
And as we were at Tesco, James has a weird fetish for donuts, so we're gonna get you some. Show me the magazine.
I feel normal because I haven't got a GoPro on my head.
Oh God! Oh!
Crashed.
Business is booming at the moment.
I know Eric's will retire sometime, I know that. Yeah, we're all expecting that, but I'm just hoping. There you go. Oh shit,
12-inch inner tube. Let's head home and put it in.
No, in that car.
Oh, James! So, we're down at the garage, and basically a shock has turned up with James. So I think it's a shock, so we're gonna open it up and see what it is.
Have you got a screwdriver?
No, I don't. There is a Foxy shock.
Now I've got to take the shock out again.
So yeah, that's James's shock. He's actually got the shock now for his 110. So let's do his inner tube.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center.
What's happened, Bob?
How's it burst? It's burst. It hasn't burst, has it? Yeah, nipped it.
Never trust Bob to do your inner tube. He's nipped it.
Hold it so tight.
Rocking, isn't it? Gone flat. As James hasn't got a tyre for his 110, I'm gonna let him use mine one because I'm a nice human being like that. So we're gonna fit the forks into James' bike, put the Foxy shock in it, are we? Do that, and James is gonna test out his bike. So yeah, we're in the race space now. James is putting the forks into his KLX 110. How much taller will this make the bike?
I don't know. Inch and a half, I think.
And yeah, we're trying to build the ultimate pit bike for us basically because we get noise complaints. We can't really do much to the engine because it'll make it too loud. We can't get an exhaust because it'll make it too loud. So we're just trying to raise it up a bit and just try and make it look trick and ride good. We've got the actual seat foam, but we haven't got the cover. So you need to do that.
Yeah, I do.
And the next bike hopefully we'll be doing a build on is my one. That thing in the corner. Just got the wheel out of the back of my 110 so we can put it in James's. Did you do your forks?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you did. James has actually fitted his Diamond Mini peg bar and just found an old set of foot pegs to put them on at the moment. So yeah, I think you need to get some better foot pegs though.
Lovely these pegs.
So James has just James got the forks in, the seat back on, the shock in, but at the moment he's just pumping it up.
But it needs a bit more than that.
Yeah. So as we've only got one tyre or one bike at the moment, James will be riding. So I'll hopefully try to get some awesome clips of James riding around. James, you gonna maybe hit the tabletop today? Maybe got better suspension? Hope so, that'd be good. Tell me if you hit it because I'll come down there and film it. And if you do make a mistake like what I did last video, if you haven't seen it, but no, it's been uploaded today.
There's a height adjustment.
Done it. No. Done the shock. You gonna ride?
Yeah, we'll get this.
To be honest, it does look like it's about to rain. See, James just tightened up his chain. We're gonna head down, we've loosened his chain. We're gonna get some couple of clips of him down riding. Bloody hell! The track looks like it's in prime condition at the moment. Yeah, James said he's found the bike a lot better. It's not bossing out anymore, so very happy about that. And yeah,
bit slippy, but it's alright.
It'll do.
Worst things to be doing, I guess.
Oh my!
It's gonna land you off the jump.
Bloody hell! No. Yes! Yes! He had finally hit it! He just cleared it. After I just gave him a little talk how to hit it, and he just clears it. Oh!
I got stuck on the back brake as I went up. It's good that.
Let's just you've hit it, let's just ride round.
I'm having fun.
What, casing?
Yeah.
Trying to sort out the back brake, aren't we? Now we've just got back up.
We?
Yeah, actually no, you are. But yeah, as I have actually got a party tonight, I'm going to cut this vlog short, but we'll do not turn off the video. We're going to still carry on filming today. No, we're going to carry on filming tomorrow. After ripping around the track. This is going to be in this video still. So I'll see you tomorrow. So it is now the next day. We've fixed James's 110. My back wheel is back on my KLX, and yeah, we're gonna get riding. I'm gonna be riding my KLX, obviously. I'm gonna have a couple of goes on James to see what the new bike's like, what the new changes are, what the new changes feel like on it. So yeah, that's what we're doing. James has got actually no, I didn't actually put in the last video. James actually had to pull over and take it off his knee pads because we had spilled petrol in them, and it was giving him a bad rash and it was really hurting him. So he had to take them off. So he's got them, and oh. I was just telling them about your problem with your knee pads last time.
Petrol?
Yeah, your petrol knee pads.
Yeah.
Sorry, you probably won't be able to hear us properly at the moment because it's just started raining.
It's not raining.
No, we've got the pressure washer on. Yeah, it's all of a sudden just started raining. So we've just got the van and it's starting to rain even more. But yeah, we're going to head to the petrol station and fill the petrol can up because we've actually ran out of petrol. And while we're at it, James forgot his GoPro, so we're going to head to his house and get the GoPro as well. I secured the good, very nice levers, James.
Thanks for that.
So just got to the petrol station. Not going to film me filling up because I'm not too sure if we're allowed, and the vlog may be a bit long, so let's fill the petrol can up. All dressed up in our kit, and yeah, let's head out for riding for a bit. We'll get we'll do a couple of laps riding, then I'll get back onto the camera, then film. At the moment, James has put his put his old KLX seat on, the one he's going to be getting for this. So yeah.
Where are you riding?
Alex, you can go first.
Right.
Got a seat on it, have you?
Yeah.
So I've probably got chocolate on my face. Just finished with my Starbucks milkshake. But yeah, we're just riding around the track at the moment. I've just done a couple of laps, but the track is actually in really good condition. It's prime condition, a lot better than last week was. Last week I think it was a bit dry, I can't really remember. You know, it's like really wet through some sections and perfect through others. Yeah, we're doing the whole pit section, so down on the pit down there it'll be quite wet, but up here it's mega conditions. Like under this tree, it's proper tacky. Just mega conditions, to be honest. Creating some awesome ruts. That's probably the wettest section down there. We've yet again been dealt with another problem with James's 110. James, what's happened?
His brake shoes knackered.
I
knew it was, but...
Problem after problem with these pit bikes.
Bring it back with you, lift it up.
So James, tell them what you're doing now.
Going back out to ride?
No, but what the problem is and how you've solved it, you think?
Brake shoe fell off.
So how many are you running now?
Just the one.
Just the one? Just the one brake shoe?
It'll be alright.
Hopefully it works.
It will.
But we've actually got nobody to film us, have we? So we're going to be using the GoPro and hopefully getting some sick battles.
a 14mm spanner, I'll just take the back brake and loosen that right off.
Alright, should we head up then?
What, and then come back down?
Yeah.
Yes. It's slow. I've got no back brake, it won't work.
You've got no brakes then?
Look where I landed.
You've got no brakes then?
I've got front brake.
That doesn't really work. We've just got back up, got all dressed, and the garage is a right state. So, guess we're gonna have to tidy up in here, make it all nice again. James is gonna wash down the 110s while I tidy up. So we'll see you after, won't we, James? Oh yes. Oh yeah, we need the trusty Duck Smart. Remember, if any of you want to wash down your bikes and make them look squeaky clean, you need to get yourself some Duck Smart. Right guys, so it's now the end of today's vlog. Today's vlog was yet again just like a normal vlog, what I do on a day-to-day basis. Really enjoying filming and riding the pit bikes at the moment, having such a blast on it. But hopefully very soon, or maybe in the next sort of video, hopefully I'm going to be ordering some parts for this KLX 110. We did end up cleaning the garage last night, so looking very nice again. We clean this garage literally all the time. Yeah, we're going to order some parts for my KLX 110 hopefully tonight with James. We washed it as well. So yeah, really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. And remember, keep ripping, keep riding, and like, share, subscribe. So yeah.